Okay, so let's take a look at how you can connect Outlook's email to tasks using Zapier. Right, so here what I have done is I have app section here, already connected Outlook. Next is connecting Todo, which is Microsoft To Do, right? So let's connect this. It will ask you for the login and it will then take your permission, right? As you can see, asking you to add remove the tasks. So what I will do is I will basically add one of the Outlook email to Zap with this Microsoft To Do, right? So let's go to dashboard. Here I will make use of prompt to create this app. So when email comes in Outlook, connect to the To Do tasks and add it. Let's generate this app and let's see how it goes. So here you can see it is loading the Zap. Connect Outlook emails to To-Do tasks. Second step is null, so I don't know what could be the reason. So I will just try this. Let's see if it works this way. Now, considering only one step here to do, it is one of the private app or depreciated app, right? So this could be one of the reason. Let's still try and continue this. Let's see how much it can work with in near future. If you are seeing this, most likely this second step is gone, right? So I will just show you for an example. Whether it succeeds or not, it's up to Zapier. As you can see, this is where it is depreciated and won't let you do anything further. So what I will do is basically add a Zap and then Microsoft To Do. Okay, so there is event. So what event we can choose is create a task. Continue. Again continue. Let's add some title which is going to be email. So whenever new email comes in, it should appear within Microsoft To Do. Right, so there is one of that email. Let's continue. Now here you can test this out. It should appear like this within this task. So we'll test this step and then publish our app. And once it is published, it should show us this particular task on here. So I will just refresh it. Let's see what it shows in tasks. So click here. Okay, new apps connected to your Microsoft account. Okay, so then flagged email, finally tasks. So let's have to check. Okay, and here you see new email, so there has to be new email, and most of the old ones won't be sent for the test. That's why it is empty as of now. There you go. So if we get a new email, it should appear within here as task. So what we have done with this particular Zap is we have connected this particular trigger. You can edit existing. All these steps here you can see shared inbox, right? So we just picked whatever we have, then continued, then we picked the email, continue with selected record, right? And then here you can see create task, right? Then continue, again continue. Here we will add subject, right? And then we will move to list, whatever the list that is available, right? So here we will add to that and just hit continue. Let's test this now. Right, finally publish this. Version name 1. Publish. Okay, now this is gone. Let's take a look at our part here, right? So this is one of the update, right? Now what we can do is here we can always create a new list if you want to. Simply use instead of untitled group, just say Outlook Zap, right? And then here we should be expecting those event. So here let's try and edit this, and let's go here, right? So list we have to pick, and then as you can see tasks, flagged emails, right? Let's take a look at the lists here. We already have this Outlook Zap. We'll try and refresh this, right? Currently it doesn't have any new ones, so I'll just add that in tasks, and within the note I will have to put something, right? So we already have subject, and next is subject app, right? And then reminder date, and so we can always continue to move to next step and publish, and we will add new version 2. You have to try this out few times so you can get it right. Okay, and here we have okay, so trying to look for editing this part. We are specifically showing anything, right? So trigger is, let's say, inbox, then this particular email pattern, then create list or add to list, either one of that should work. Create list, continue, then title, let's add again. This is lengthy now, so we may have to check for subject. Continue now, and here you see ability to test this app. Okay, now here you see we have new list added twice.